a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. Betty got that gas, 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 gas. Betty got that gas, 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 gas. Betty got that gas.
Your booty got that feng shui. It looks fun, I wanna come play. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's the weekend, tell me what you want, babe. It's a beautiful situation. No, I don't.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm going to spice things up a little bit for you guys. Valentine's Day is around the corner, so I'm always looking forward to just upping my lingerie game, my undie game. I love a good matching set, and I just got my order in from Lounge. I'm obsessed with their Instagram, and if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you know that I am obsessed with everything because I've been posting all of my little outfits, if you want to call them that, on my feed, so definitely check that out. So I have a special Valentine's Day lingerie haul for you guys, and I'm so excited. So you're definitely going to want to head down to the description box below to check out all the details on this haul. I'm going to put links down there to everything mentioned, along with a coupon code that they were so nice enough to hook up the dolls with, and you can save 10% with using Kayla10 at checkout. And big thanks to Lounge for sponsoring today's haul. Let's see what we have. They do have really fun packaging. Lingerie is not a fan of bags, so excuse that in the background, but the whole branding I think is amazing. And you don't always have to be in a relationship, you don't have to be doing super romantic things in order to treat yourself with love and respect and to feel confident and sexy in the skin that you're in. So for me, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of hoard lingerie because it's something that makes me feel so good when I get to prance around my apartment after I do my night routine. You know, you want to go out on a date, have a fun little date night, Netflix and chill session. So that's why I really like these cute matching sets. It really elevates my confidence when they're matching. So this one is the mesh set, and I got this one in red. Red is such a fire color, and I'm definitely feeling red on myself. So I really like this because it's pretty full coverage, and there's a nice band at the bottom that says Lounge here, if you guys can see that. Adjustable straps, so you get the perfect fit every single time. You can kind of control how much cleavage and stuff you want, but there's that little bit of mesh peekaboo at the bottom, which just makes it more sexy. And these are so freaking comfortable. You can wear this underneath your outfit too during the day, and you just know that you feel yourself, right? I don't know if that's just me, but that's the top, and then I got these bottoms to go with it. Again, it just says Lounge. And what I love about these bottoms is the back is all mesh. What? I love this. It's like sexy but still comfortable, right? So that's the first set that I got, and I really wanted to stick to like reds and pinks and all the girly colors for Valentine's Day. So this one you guys saw, I posted on Instagram. I just could not wait for this video to go live. This is their triangle set. I do also have this in the pink, and I loved it so much I wanted to get it in the red as well. So this is what it looks like. This is like the perfect lounge wear to wear around the apartment. I like pairing mine with sweats on the bottom, and I'll just be cooking dinner, doing my thing, Netflix and chilling, whatever you want to do. But again, it has the adjustable straps as well, which is perfect, and a really nice thick band that's elastic and stretchy at the bottom with the branding. And again, it gives you a little bit of lift to your boobs. So for size reference, I get my tops in a small, and then the bottom for this one is the matching thong bottom in red, of course, and this one is a medium. So definitely recommend using their sizing chart online. I'd say it's pretty accurate as well. And also too, they do restock as well. If you want to get notified for that, you can sign up for the notifications, like their mailing list, so you guys never miss out on the sets that you want to get your hands on. I know there's so many things on there that I want to get, but they're out of stock, so I gotta keep my eyes open for that. Now this one, listen, I cannot try this on because listen, it's lingerie, it's sexy, it's cute, right? Everything's gonna be popping out. Now this next set might possibly be my favorite because it is limited edition, and it's their Love Triangle set. It's beautiful, you guys. Like, everything is going to be popping in this one. It's very delicate and dainty but sexy at the same time. It's red, it's fiery, there's the adjustable straps, and I love the mesh because there's hearts on it. Do you guys see how beautiful this is? So I got my top in a small, and again, this one is on Instagram on my feed if you want to see what it looks like on and how to edit out the nip, okay? But I love this. It's by far my favorite for comfort, and then the bottoms I got in a medium as well. And the band too, again, you can see how stretchy it is, but it's so comfortable, you guys. This is like date night, Valentine's Day approved. And again, you don't have to be going out to feel sexy. You can be at home doing you, feeling sexy, you know, with your robe and your little wine. The next set that I got from Lounge is, this one's a bra set. Yes, this one is their Lace Magic bra. I just go with my true bra size. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. I really love this color. I saw this on an Instagrammer and I was like, ooh, I need that set. So this one is so adorable. Again, it's just like that nice blush pink with the Lounge branding. This is a thong bottom. I love the cut of these. You can definitely hike up the sides and it's so freaking flattering for your waist. I love it so much, and I got those in a medium, and then this is the top that goes with it. These also come in different colorways, you guys, so have fun picking out one that you like the best. And this is so comfortable. There's light padding, there's no underwire to it, but for some reason I still get lift and like cleavage with it, and I don't even have the biggest boobs, okay? Like I wear a B cup. So for me, this is like comfort 100%, sexy level 100%, Lounge approved 100%. Like this with like sweats and then the matching undies underneath, perfect for date night, okay? So I really like these. I would definitely order more in different colors. It's a good like everyday bra, right, where you don't want to have too much stuff going on, but you still want to look good. Now the next thing I got was a pajama set, right? So they call this their pajama trouser set, and I got the pink one as well, of course, for Valentine's Day. And they also have the option of doing this with shorts. But I've been wanting like a good pair of silky pajamas. I feel like a queen, you know, with silk jammies. These are so freaking cute. What size did I get these in? This is a medium, so I'll try that on for you guys. And it looks like there's pockets. Yes, we love a pocket, but look at how beautiful and shiny these are. So they just go down into a nice little trouser, and it does have Lounge branded on it, if you can see that. Very subtle. And I'll show you guys the matching top that goes with it. Oh my god, yes. I got this one in a medium as well. This is gonna be so fun. Just watch movies in, order pizza. Oh my god, with your red wine on the side, that's the mood right there. Cuddle with your dog, yes, you guys. So that is everything that I ordered for my Valentine's Day haul, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed these fun sets. Again, there's no excuse not to feel sexy, not to treat yourself with love, and do what you need to do to feel good, and to each its own, right? For me, this is just an issue that I have hoarding lingerie and pajamas. Like my dresser is overflowing, but that's not gonna stop me. Definitely check out the links down below if you guys saw any sets here that you guys liked. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and of course if you guys are looking to shop around for Valentine's Day, definitely save with the coupon code Kayla10 at checkout. But the overall message here is there's no excuse. Like, you don't need a man's out in these streets to treat yourself with love, to feel sexy, to feel confident. At the end of the day, it's all about how you feel, and when you feel good inside, guess what? You're gonna radiate that glow on the outside too. So everyone is different, but for me, I just love doing things when it comes down to like self-care and treating myself to things that I enjoy, and for me that's definitely lingerie, pajamas, and all of that fun stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. If you guys did, be sure to subscribe and hit the post notification bell next to it so you guys never miss a post, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.
I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. Baby got that gas,
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.